major benefit of the HeLP clinic at the Alfred is that the lawyers are so flexible, they're so compassionate, they have time to fit around patients.
So when this was floated as an idea, we thought perfect opportunity to be able to link patients in at such a critical stage when they're in hospital to get some real help with their legal issues.
The model we had was of a private law firm offering its services pro bono. That was the first idea that we had.
We don't practice law and we sit outside of the profession, but the one individual I knew who had a social justice background and who was interested in health law was Kate Booth.
This is an ideal project for Maurice Blackburn to be involved in because of our interest in medicine and law and our long-standing interest in pro bono work. What's really special about the clinic is the proximity between the social worker, the lawyer and the patient. The aim of the clinic is to provide the patients and their families with free legal advice while they're receiving treatment at the Alfred.
We talk about issues relating to their health that we can assist with as lawyers. So we see a whole range of different things here at the hospital.
It's a stressful enough time when you find out that there's cancer or any life-threatening illness, but when you've got to try to work out the legality stuff and you don't really know any of it, it just kind of makes it so much easier, and it was just so good to say, you know, well, it's done.
I'd have to say physically having them in the department with us has been wonderful.
Patients who are seriously ill in bed aren't often in a position to call in their own legal advisors, and it's always fallen to social work to do what they can to help out.
We have had feedback that it's been a wonderful service, and someone has actually described it as a one-stop shop in terms of coming to the hospital, getting their health needs and their legal needs attended to.
It's been a really interesting journey. You know, there was a lot of planning to set this clinic up, both before we launched and as we launched and felt our way.
Patients in hospital, their lives were interrupted with scans, medical rounds, tests, and sometimes when you have a lawyer that you've had to engage from outside of the hospital, they're under time restraints, they'll be coming in, they're on their clock. Whereas the HeLP clinic, the guys will come, they'll take the time, if it's not a right time, they'll come back. They're not going to rush the patient, they understand how it works, and they're so compassionate.
The results of the research were unusually positive, with 99.9% of the participants praising the operation of the HeLP clinic.
The clear benefit to patients that our research has demonstrated fuel our genuine hope that this initiative will continue at the Alfred for many years and be expanded to other hospitals as well.